here again we can say that suffer is not fixed with any preposition. For example, if suffer means to bear, then it will not take any preposition, and if suffer means ailment or some kind of disease, then it will take the preposition from. And similarly, if suffer means one's action, then it will take the preposition for. For example, they will suffer great loss. Here it is shown that they are bearing the loss. So since here the meaning is to bear, therefore it will not take any preposition. Next is they will suffer for their mistakes. Now since they have made some kind of mistakes, so they have to suffer their own action. So here it will take the preposition for. They will suffer from cold and fever. And now again, see, cold and fever are basically a kind of disease, it's an ailment. So it will take the preposition from. Next is agree. If agree means to accept to something, then it will take the preposition to. And if agree means some kind of matter or issue, it will take the preposition on, and if it means someone, then it will take the preposition with. For example, they did not agree dash my offer. Now since they are talking about acceptance, they are talking about being agree, therefore it will take the preposition to, because here accept is being referred. They did not agree with my friends. Now they are not agree with someone, and with someone it will take the preposition with, therefore the agree will take the preposition with here. They did not agree on my inviting him. Now this invitation is some kind of issue, so when it is used as issue, it will take the preposition on. Next is differs. If it means to be different, then it will take the preposition from, and if it means disagree, it will take the preposition with. For example, he never differs dash us on any issue. That means he never disagree, therefore it will take the preposition with here. He differs a lot dash his elder brother. Now he is different from his elder brother, therefore it will take the preposition from. Next word is consist. Consist of when its meaning is to include, and consist in when it is to be included. For example, their diet consists of rice, salad and milk. That means it should include, the diet should include rice, salad and milk, therefore it will take the preposition of. Success consists in diligence and perseverance. Here these are already included, therefore it will take the preposition in here. So we can say that none of the prepositions are fixed with verbs or the words. Next is partake. If it means to participate, then in will be used, and if it means to share, then of will be used. For example, they won't partake in the annual function. Now here they are talking about the participation, therefore the preposition would be in. They won't partake of the wealth. Now they are talking about the share in wealth, therefore of will be used. Next is part. Part with something. When it is talking about something, then we'll use the preposition with, and when it is talking about someone, then we'll use from. For example, the men found it hard to part from his children. Now they are saying that it is difficult to part from someone, and the someone are his children. The man found it hard to part with his hard earned money. Now this hard earned money is something, therefore it will take the preposition with here. Next is divide. Divide, if it refers to the different parts, then it will take the preposition into. If it means to, then between, and it is talking about the distribution between many, then among. For example, they have divided the property dash the 4 brothers. Now the 4 brothers are more than 2, therefore it will take the preposition among. They have divided the property dash 4 equal parts. Now they have made the parts, therefore into will be used. They have divided the property dash 2 brothers. Now since they are talking about 2, so the preposition will be between. Next is quarrel. If quarrel is with someone, then with will be used. If it is over something, that means if it is about something issue, some event, then over will be used. For example, they will never quarrel over anything, because now here anything is any issue, any problem, so we'll use the preposition over here. And next is they will never quarrel with anyone. Now this anyone represent a human being, a person, someone, so it will take the preposition with here. Next is key. Key, when it's talking about door or lock, then of will be used. When it is about solution, then to is used. For example, hard work is the key to success. So here it is basically a solution. Hard work is the solution of success, therefore preposition is to. Where have you lost the key of the door? Now this is door. It is talking about the door lock. So it will take the preposition of here. Next is blind. If it is about one's fault, then we'll take to. If it is about both the eyes, of will be used. If it is about one eye, either left or right, then in. For example, the man is blind to his son's fault. Now this one's fault means they are basically ignoring it. So now the man is blind to his son's fault. He is ignoring his son's mistake. So here to will be used. The man is blind in the left eye. See, when it is about left eye or right eye, then it will take in. The man is blind of both eyes. Now since they are talking about both the eyes, it will take the preposition of only. See, these are the words, these are the verbs which are used in a similar way. For example, if these words are used in reference to someone, then they'll take the preposition with. If it is reference to something, then it will take the preposition at. For example, we are taking the example of angry here. If we want to replace angry with some other word, then also the rules will be same. They were angry with you, with someone. Yes, this here you is someone, therefore with is used. They were angry at your performance. Now this performance is something, they are angry at something, therefore at is used. Again similarly, these words when they are used in reference to something, it will take for. To someone, it will take to. For example, we are highly obliged to you for your help. Now it is to someone, for something. This is what they want to say, is that we are highly obliged to someone for something. Again, he is not accountable to someone for something. Next is complain. If it is used in reference to something, then of will take, it will take off. If it is used in reference to someone, it will take against. If it is used in reference to authority, it will take to. For example, the students complain of the poor, of something, of the poor facilities. So they are complaining of something, and against the warden, and against someone, to the authority. Therefore, we have clubbed all these in one sentence only. Next is feed. If it means to make somebody, then it will not take preposition. If it means to eat, it will take the preposition on. For example, some people feed monkeys on Tuesday. Now they are basically making somebody, so they will not take any preposition. Some people feed on vegetation and milk only. Now here they are talking about food, they are talking about to eat. So some people eat vegetation and milk only, therefore it will take the preposition on. Next is life. If it means feed on or eat, on will be used. If it means one's resources, within will be used. If it means profession, principles or tradition, by will be used. For example, the men should live on vegetation only. Now they are feeding themselves on vegetation. They lived by their culture and tradition. See, we have already discussed profession, principles and tradition. When it is meaning, it will take by, therefore by is used. One should live within one's means. Now they are talking about one's resources. They lived by begging. Now here begging is used as profession, therefore it will take by. Again, this all the words, if they are used with something, then at will be used. If it used with someone, then by will be used. For example, they were astonished at the stunt. They were astonished at something. They were astonished by the stuntman. That means they were astonished by someone. Next is take leave. Take leave, if it means beg or permission, then from will be used. If it means say bye or farewell, off is used. For example, he took leave dash the office for a week. Now he is basically taking permission, so he took from. He took leave of the host of the party. Now he is saying goodbye, he is saying bye to the party, therefore off is used. Next is familiar. If it is used in reference to someone, then it will take to. If it is used in reference to something, it will take with. For example, we are not familiar to anyone in the city. Again, familiar to someone. We are not familiar with its behavior. Familiar with something. Next is decline. If decline means to decrease, then it will take the preposition in, and if it means to end or extinction, it will take the preposition of. For example, we have noticed a short decline in temperature. Now they are basically talking about the decrease in temperature, therefore in is used. We do not know what caused the decline of Mughal Empire. Now they are talking about the end of the Mughal Empire, therefore they are using the preposition of here. I hope preposition is clear to you. So just keep one thing in mind, that none of the preposition is fixed with a particular word. What we have to see is that what is the meaning, what it is referred to. So on basis of that, on the basis of that only, we'll decide which preposition is to be used with certain verbs. Thank you so much.